For all those of you who are just starting out on your skincare routine and know you need some quality devices, but you're not sure what to choose, stay tuned. I'm talking about it next. Welcome back. Christine Byer here, licensed esthetician for 21 years. And yes, I've been working on my face in other videos. So yeah, skincare devices. When you're first starting out, there's so much out there. So we decided to make it easy on you and combined our best-selling devices into bundles. Did you know that there's a bundles page on our website? A bundle is where we package together best-selling devices and discount them, pretty deep discount. So they are a good option if you're just starting out and you want something that's tried and true and you want to really get started. So our first bundle includes the mini microcurrent home device, and it includes the Tri-Light. It includes 3 colors of LED, red, infrared, and amber, which is great for anti-aging. And I love this little light because it's very compact, it's lightweight, and you can put it flat on the skin, and that is so important for all the light to go into the skin. All that energy goes into the skin. It's not all out, it's not far away and there's the light's like refracting everywhere. No, it has no choice but to go straight into the skin, and that's really important when you're doing LED. So this is one of our best-selling devices. The 3 different colors are great for hitting the skin at different depths. The red is sort of a powerhouse color. It does all things. It speeds up cellular turnover. It oxygenates the skin. It helps with fine lines and wrinkles. This particular mix helps brighten the skin when used with brightening serums and after a peel. So love this device. Sturdy, super sturdy, travels well. Yeah, will never break. I just love this device. I have used these for years in my treatment room. And then we have the Clear Blend Mini. This has been a bestseller since 2015. It is true microcurrent. It comes at 340 microamps. And I think a big myth in microcurrent is the stronger the better. If I feel it, it's better. It's like, no, you don't feel true microcurrent. And if you feel the current, it is not good. It's popping you out of that microcurrent range, which is around 500 microamps, which are millionths of an amp. And a lot of times people will confuse them with TENS devices or galvanic devices, which usually are in the milliamps, which is about 1,000 times stronger than microamps. So we really need to be in the right amount of current being pushed into the skin. And another thing that's really interesting about this device is it lifts like crazy because it has randomized frequencies. And so what that means is that the current is going deeper and shallower and deeper and shallower into the skin. It's hitting the skin at all these different levels. And so it's a varied workout for the skin. So it never acclimates. It never gets bored with the treatment in the device. So really interesting, another bestseller that we combined with our other bestseller. And so you are lifting muscles. You're also thickening skin over time with microcurrent. You're going to get that microcurrent glow. And then the LED is going to thicken up the skin. It's going to help with any minor breakouts. You can use it on cuts and scrapes and burns and bruises, but we don't talk about that, but it helps heal all that stuff up much faster. For example, if I have somebody that comes in with a sunburn, I'm basically going to wash their face and put on a mask if they can handle it, something very light and clear, and I will just put red LED over them. And I've had so many people say the next day that they're like, oh, I felt so much better. You know, I'll have people that come back from Florida and they're just fried, like maybe they forgot to go off their Retin-A before their vacation. You're really supposed to go off retinoids 1 week before you go out into the sun. So 2 weeks is preferable if you're on a really high dose. So yeah, LED for the win each time, like a major sunburn. But for general anti-aging, it's going to help increase cellular turnover. It's going to give you that glow, and it's really something that needs to be used on the regular for nice results. So So that's the first bundle. Another bundle we have is when people want to try out best-selling products with best-selling devices. Now, the Neogenesis Recovery, this looks like the eye serum, but this is 10 ml of the Recovery. It comes out very watery, and I'll show you that later. But it also comes with the Anma, which is my favorite fascia release tool. So if you think about your face, and over the years, we've made so many expressions, they sort of etch their way into our face. And it's good to release that because that sort of starts to shut down circulation. And anytime we want to repair something, we need lots of blood flow. So releasing different areas of the face, releasing up underneath the chin to get rid of tech neck, you know, doing release work is so important. And then once we've released the face with our Anma, and you can use this anywhere on the body, using this on the scalp. A lot of times I'll just use this on my client's scalp while they're masking. And when I'm done, they just look like I did it all over their face because they're so relaxed and everything floats up when your scalp is relaxed. Now, and then you would go in afterwards with the Clear Blend Mini and just do the routine that they show in the instructions. Now, later on, you can do what I call vectors, and that's moving across areas of common facial sag. These are vectors, and I have videos on that. But the instructions that come with it are perfect. There's a perfect way to start. With microcurrent, you can't mess it up. It's very forgiving. So this is another nice little bundle. So if you want to get the powerful effects of Neogenesis Recovery going for you, get that going in your favor, you're going to see some nice pore size reduction, reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. I mean, Recovery does it all. It's 70% active ingredient. So this is their best-selling product. This is their star product of the S2RM technology, which is stem cell releasing molecule technology. So it's not the actual stem cells that do it, it's what the stem cells release that repair and replace damaged cells. And by the way, that is my holy grail product. I cannot be without my Neogenesis Recovery. I use it every day. And then lastly, we have our ultimate device bundle. Is basically the Time Master Pro, which is our best-selling Korean ultrasound device. We have a German face and body care device called the Curve. Wow, this is a really good deal. So it's basically all of these and a full-size HydroLift, so go figure. So you've got your LED, you've got your microcurrent, which I've spoken about. You have a full size of the HydroLift, which is a bestseller. This I actually use in my treatment room on my clients because I was like, you know, I need to introduce a moderately priced, high quality conductive gel. But this is not just a conductive gel, it's a conductive gel in mask, so it's multitasking. So you slather this on before any of these devices and you go. And then we also have the Anma comes with this ultimate bundle, and the Time Master Pro, which is, I was just saying, our favorite Korean device. And then we have the German made Curve for face and body. So this is the ultimate device bundle. It has everything. You can work on your face and body with this. You can work on your face with this. This is plumping, this Time Master Pro. I cannot believe how crazy people have gone over this. This is plumping, it does some lifting, it helps with acne because the ultrasound in it basically vibrates the acne to death, the P acnes. It's just been so surprising. It's helped break up glycation. I've seen it help a lot with pigmentation, especially if used over a brightening mask. It's just really fascinating how this works. So this is, once again, ultrasound, 90,000 kilohertz. So it's at the low end of ultrasound, deeply penetrating. This is also EMS and 4 colors LED. Just have to hold it down for a second to get these colors. And it flashes, but that's red, blue, green, and then all colors on. I tend to like this all colors flashing because it packs more of a punch. It wears the battery down faster, but it does pack a punch. Now the battery on this stays a long time. I'm surprised at how many uses I get from a charge on this. This uses vibration, it's biomechanical vibration, ultrasound, radio frequency, and LED. So this has a nice warming effect. So yeah, what a great bundle. I mean, what a great Christmas present. Look at this. This is your ultimate device bundle. Oh, I can get everything here. Yowza, that's awesome. Yeah, and then you just watch my videos until you learn how to use every single one. Because I use them a lot in my videos, but I also use them a lot in my treatment room. So especially this Onma, the Time Master Pro, the Onma, the Curve, I use constantly. This I use constantly in my treatment room, the Hydrolift. So yeah, those are the bundles that we have. Not many people know. We have a whole bundles page. We have a bundle of anti-aging products. We have bundles of Scopla or House of PLLA, which is the Korean facial filling line, which has been super popular because what other product line can fill your face? So we've got some great bundles for you to check out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye now.